Ready? Hello everybody. This is a split leaf philodendron. One of the most noticeable things about this are the very large leaves. See here? Massive leaves. They're in fact a monocot, even though they may look initially would have branched venation, but they do not. And it's parallel. And if you also look at the roots, that is very unique and stands out. But the roots are used to help support the stem and the trunk of the tree, because it's too weak otherwise to support all these large leaves. That one is very yellow. How pretty. So they're native to South America. They're of course monocots, as I said earlier. And they have a wide variety of dispersers. So the fruit they make is edible. Beetles are their pollinator. They can be sometimes have very specific beetle species. One cool thing about them is they form these little structures. It essentially serves as beetle hotels, where they will come along and they'll release a pheromone that attracts a male beetle. And then the male beetle will go inside of there and wait and hang out. And then a female beetle will then know she can go find a male who's ready to mate inside of there. So then she'll go in there and hang out. And then a few other males and females will come in there and hang out. And then the part will close up and also heat up. And so it actually get very warm inside of there. And this encourages all that beetle movement to go around. And the beetles will reproduce. And then in that time, pollen is then put onto those individual beetles. And if they ever visit another individual, they can share that pollen amongst them. It's a very interesting little situation. A lot of organisms, the beetle and the plant, benefit. The male beetle doesn't have to make pheromones because the females know what's up. If they see a male going in there, it's like, oh, he's ready to mate. And the males also know that if a female goes in there, she's ready to mate too, because she went inside that destination where she knows the males are ready to mate. And the warmth generated in there is pretty interesting, and the males don't make the pheromones, and the plant, of course, gets pollinated. So it's a very interesting relationship. It's one of the cooler ones. Big leaves.